Welcome back to another YouTube tutorial, and today we are making the Ripple Shake. And if you want to skip the work, my CapCut template will be in the description. Alright, let's start the tutorial. First, you must grab your clips. Next, go to Effects and search Ripple. Make the effect the same length as the clip. Now copy my settings. Duplicate the effects until there's 5 on each clip. Now this is what it should look like. Now export it and go to an app called Timecut for motion blur. On Timecut, go to Video Converter. Import the clip you want to use motion blur on. Now select the clip and press Convert. I'd recommend 180p and 60 FPS, and then press Convert again. Now save your video to album. Now go back to the home screen and select Smart Motion Blur, and you want to click the first option. Now choose Mode 2 and Intensity 40. Now post your video with 180p. You're finished with the motion blur now. Now your video is complete and you can save it now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more. Goodbye.